Yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. Alright, in this video we got a 2016 Nissan Altima. It's a 4-cylinder, 2.5. Alright, now I want to show you in this video, this is different from the other Nissan that I got on my page with the water issue. Water on the floorboard. The video I posted prior to this one was explaining where the water was coming from on the passenger side, and I fixed it and cleaned out the drain port for it. And now in this video, you can click the link in the bio for that video as well. Now for this video, I'm gonna show you what's going on here. I had to come out here and diagnose it, and this is what I found out. I noticed when you open up the sunroof, got water. So that's telling me that the drain port for the sunroof is clogged. So I'm gonna show you where the drain port is. All right, and get up under here. And I thought it was all over here. Take off this trimming. I took it off and couldn't find it, but I'll put that back. And what I did was basically got your pedal. You want to go up here to right about up, like it's high, so you got to look high. There's a tube back there. It's the drain port. As you can see here, man, we got this little panel off. Took that off. That rubber piece. And this is the line, man. This is the drain port. And it's pretty dirty up in there. But what I can do, I'm going to blow it out, man. Not with my mouth, of course, but I'll attach this pump to it. Alright, like that. Put that in and this pump. Try to push whatever is in there out. I can hear it when I do it too. Up in here. I'm gonna open that up. You can hear it right in there. So it sounds pretty clear. So it's draining. The line is clear. That's a good sign. And we gotta check and make sure that other end is good. And the lines are not pinched, so you make sure of that. Yeah, they can get pretty dirty, and they can pinch up. So they can pinch up and kink up and all of that. So make sure none of that's going on to make it block. I'm gonna go to the other end and check that port out. Okay, we got the hose, the drain hose cleaned out. It's flowing properly. So that means the other end is clogged down at the bottom. And that's where it's clogging and making all that water hit the inside on the floorboard. So this is what I'm gonna do here. We're gonna take this bad boy, this pump, and we're gonna push water. We're gonna push that water from here. It's gonna go through and push out this side. So I wanna flush that end down there, and because it's not draining at the bottom, we want water to come from the bottom of the vehicle over here. So
a few moments later.
Alright, that did the trick. I wonder where it's coming from. I was trying to find the hole. Oh, but it's coming out. And now for the moment of truth. I can hear it. I can hear it. It's actually sucking up, so. Let's see. Yep. That's it. And that did the job. That cleared the everything. It's clear, man. I hope this video helped out, man. I'm seeing a few of them on YouTube, but I want to go ahead and throw one on my channel since I ran into one. So y'all have a good one. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and show you where the rear drain port is for the sunroof. Now, let me back up. Now, I just partially took this apart so I can get back here just for demonstration purposes. Now you have clips here, here to get out. Peel this back. Clip here. This here, this tab. I have to get a flat head, pull that back. That'll come out like that. Might as well keep that out. And you go back here. I already got a light back here too. Alright. That's it right there. That's the drain port for the rear sunroof drain. It goes all the way up. So I did take that out and make sure there wasn't nothing dripping from it. It was clear and free. No water was coming out. So you can check that and be sure. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope it helped y'all. And share the video, because this is like a common problem on these Altimas, Nissans or whatever. So yeah, I'm gone, man. Till next time, pull up king.